Hello, my name is Solomon and I am an SEO in Dallas, Texas. And I made this video for the Upwork community for my profile so that you guys can see that I'm a real person, not some CGI or something like that. Anyway, I'm going to attempt to explain how SEO works and why some websites rank on the front page, get massive amounts of traffic, and others don't. And I'm gonna demonstrate by using certain tools that I use in my arsenal. So anyway, let's begin. I went ahead and typed in this keyword into the search window, dentist in Dallas, and this is what I got. Right. I have built-in tools on my browser that gives me like a quick overview of keywords and websites, stuff like that. But this particular keyword in question is getting 2,900 searches a month, right? The cost per click is going to be $10.99, and the competition is going to be 0.56, which is kind of like middle of the road difficulty. With the right techniques and knowledge, you can overcome that and rank. So it's not really that difficult. This is a map section, or a snack pack as we like to call it. And I'm not going to focus on this either because I live about 5 minutes from downtown, and so Google is using my IP address to give me these practices that are like in close proximity to my location. So we're not going to worry about that. We're going to focus on the organic area, right? And so barring this directory, this Yelp directory, this practice right here, Dallas Dental Specialist, is on the top position of this front page, right? So that's this company right here. And if we peruse it and browse, we see that they have, decent content, not a lot of content on their homepage, but they do have a lot of content and a lot of these links. So they have decent content. They have nice interlinking or silo linking so that they can spread the link juice around their website. They have nice infographics. Again, more links, stuff like that. They got a nice little map section at the bottom of their page. But anyway, this guy is on the top position, right? The guy in the second position is Elite Dental. That's this company right here, and he also has a nice little website. He's located in a real Tony section of downtown Dallas called Uptown. There's a lot of foot traffic, a lot of nice little boutiques, a lot of money. Dallas is a big tech and oil city. There's a lot of money from those two industries. But anyway, this guy is Uptown, and once again, he's in the second position. And the third business that I wanted to focus on is Beyond Smiles, and this gentleman, his name is Corey Nguyen. Real nice guy. He's a dentist. He does implants, Invisalign, whitening, stuff like that. And I've been talking to him for, I don't know, a couple of months. He's kind of on the fence, right? And the other day, Wednesday I think it was, we had a conversation, and he was asking me, why isn't my site ranking on the first or the second page, Solomon? And point blank, I told him, you just don't have the backlinks, right? You're not really focusing on optimizing your site, and it shows, obviously, right? He has a decent enough website. He has videos and stuff like that, which Google really likes. He has all the accreditations and bona fides and stuff like that, but he's not ranking because he's not doing SEO. And one of the ways I am able to analyze these sites are with these tools that I use, right? This particular digital tool is called Ahrefs. It's the gold standard for people in my industry, SEOs, digital marketers, stuff like that. And so if we look at Dental Specialist, if we look at their overview, I'm going to explain how these key links work, right? Excuse me, these backlinks. He has 60 backlinks coming from 23 referring domains. Referring domains is just another word for website, right? So he has 60 coming from 23 websites. The guy in the second position, Elite, he has 1.76 thousand backlinks coming from 102 referring domains. And then Corey's website has 146 links coming from 34 websites. So at first glance, it doesn't really make any sense, does it? This guy is on the front page, and he only has 60 links coming from 23 websites. Dr. Nguyen's website has 146 links coming from 34 websites, and it just doesn't make sense. He has more than this guy on the front page, and this guy's on the 14th page. And the reason being is that these backlinks coming from these 23 websites are a lot more powerful. They have better quality than the websites coming from Dr. Nguyen's site, right? Even though he has more websites and more backlinks than Dallas Dental, they're not as powerful. So by his website not getting the proper link juice and the proper power from websites like this guy's site, he's limited in his ranking. He's on the 14th page, whereas these guys are on the first page, and Dallas Dental is on the first position and Elite is on the second position. If we want to find Corey's website, it's not on the second or the third or the fourth. It's not until we get to the 14th page that we're able to find his website. And there it is right there, 14th page. See, there it is. And that's basically why, that's the main reason why he's not ranking. Okay, he's just not able to compete with the backlinks. His backlinks aren't as powerful, and they're not as numerous as his website, and they're not as qualitative as this guy's website. So that's one reason he's not ranking. The second one is the keyword profile. The guy in the front position on the front page, Dallas Dental has these really good keywords that are producing a lot of traffic, right? So the volume of this particular keyword, Dallas Dentist, is producing 500 searches a month. Dallas Dental Specialist, 200 a month. Dental Dallas, 400. Dental Specialist, 800. Dentist Dallas. A lot of these are semantic, right? They're synonyms. They basically all mean the same thing. They're just worded differently to so that it's not like repetitive in your content in Google's eyes. Google doesn't like that. It doesn't like keyword stuffing. It doesn't like repetitive keywords. It senses that you're trying to game the system by sticking all that in your content. So we use different wordings or combination of words basically mean the same thing. But anyway, if you look at his volume, I mean, he's doing very well. 500, 400, 800, so on and so forth. And then you go to the guy in the second position, Elite Dental, with 1.76 backlinks. Go ahead and click on his keywords, his organic keywords, and look at the volume of searches that he's producing. Elite Dental, he's an established dentist already, and so there's like 3,800 searches every month for his website, for his dental practice. Elite Dental Dallas, 100. Dentist Uptown, 200, 250, 500. And then look at this one, professional teeth whitening. He has this somewhere in his content, in his website, and it's producing 2,400 searches a month, which is, I mean, it's crazy. His phone's blowing up. It's ringing off the hook. Elite Dentistry, 1,000, 500. Andy Chang, that's the actual dentist. I analyzed the site a while back, and he's just killing it. And then let's go ahead and look at Corey's site. Let's look at his keyword profile. It's kind of sad, actually. Beyond Dental, 100. Board Certified Dentist, 400. Beyond Dental, 100. Beyond Dental Garland, 30. What is a Board Certified Dentist? Like, why would somebody, I guess you'd really be, you must really be curious to want to find out what that is, but that has like 60 searches a month. You want more searches in your website. You want a lot of people searching for a lot of keywords, and you want to put all those keywords in your content so that you get all that traffic, right? That's how you generate traffic. That's how you generate leads. That's how you get more customers and more clients. And basically, that's it in a nutshell. Um, if you're doing these things correctly, you can get on the front page, and that's basically what I do. That's what I was taught, years ago. SEO is constantly evolving, but the fundamentals are the same. You want to have good keyword research and analysis. You want to have a lot of organic keywords in your content, so that whenever somebody types a keyword into a search window, whether it's 2 words or 3 words or 4 words, or we call them long tail keywords, you want to be able to capture all those searches, and you want Google to send your website to the top of the page so that you get all that traffic, right? If you can't get all these keywords, then what we would do is we would go to their backlink profile, and we would copy every single backlink that his website has. Like, okay, this is a DR rating. This basically gives you the backlink profile score of certain websites that have a lot of backlinks, and this one is like 90. This one's 90, 77. What we would do is we would copy each of these backlinks that these guys on the front page have, and we would do it for the guy on the 14th page, right? Here's his backlink profile, and he has a few good scores, a few nice DR scores, but as you start going down, they start dropping in significance and relevance. And so the only way this guy is going to get up on the front page or start ranking is to emulate all these other backlinks that these other guys are using to get on that front page. I know it sounds complex, right? But that's basically SEO in a nutshell. You want to have as many backlinks as the guy on the front page, or you want to have backlinks coming from websites that have more power than the other guys. So it's kind of like a trade-off sometimes. You can either have a lot of backlinks that aren't as powerful, or you can have fewer backlinks coming from websites that are more powerful. You know what I mean? It's kind of like the quantity versus quality situation. And so that's it. That's how I rank. That's how everybody ranks. And one of the main ways that you can get these type of backlinks is basically 2 ways, and I explained it in my profile. You can either do white hat or black hat. White hat is the process of reaching out to bloggers and negotiating some type of financial benefit to them for putting your domain name or your link on their website, so that it points back to your site and it gives you power. It takes a while to do that, right? 6 months, 9 months, it depends. Or you can do it artificially, which is what we call black hat, and we basically build PBNs, or private blog networks, and the way that we do that is by going to an online domain name provider like GoDaddy. They have these auctions every day. You can buy domain names, but we look for certain domain names that have really good metrics, strong powerful metrics that Google likes. We buy these domain names, then we build a website around it, and we make it look real, and we add infographics and videos and lots of content, and just we build a really, really nice site around that particular domain name, and then we put your domain name in the content. We shoot it back to your site, and then whenever Google sees this, they like, wow, this guy has some really powerful websites coming to his site, so that must mean that he's important. So let's go ahead and rank him on the front page, because obviously a lot of people are searching for his keywords or for the content that he has. So we're going to go ahead and reward him with a position on the front page, and that's basically how SEO works in a nutshell. I mean, that's how it's done. I'd love to get deeper into the semantics of all this stuff, but I'm limited in my video time. I'm almost up. But anyway, I hope this was informative, and thank you, and have